This video is brought to you by Saraswati Vidyalaya Union. And hi, this is Prapti. Now we are going to start our practicals. So that is biology practical. So remember this one, biology is a subject that must be learned through practical activities and observation. And laboratory is a place where students have opportunities for clarification of their concepts. They are introduced in theory courses. But remember this one, in the pandemic situation, it's not possible to attend this practical, or it's not possible to repeat the practicals in laboratory. So for you all only, so I have made this video. Please like, share and subscribe my video. See, this is the skeleton question paper of 30 marks of biology subject of standard 12. In these, there are part A, part B and part C. In this part A, major experiment and minor experiments are there, and in the part B, spotting is included, and in the part C, which having question 5, that is project report, question 6, that is viva, and the question 7, so that is certified journal. So like these are the different parts. Now in the part A, if you observe in question 1, so there are total 5 questions have given, 5 practicals have given for the performance, but from that 5 you have to do any one of the practical. So here this major experiment means this question number 1 carries 4 marks. See the first practical that we are going to study today. So see the question 1, so first practical, that is make a temporary potato osmoscope to study osmosis, sketch and label the diagram showing the change in water level. Like this, in this format question can be asked you. So now let us study about the first practical, that is study of osmosis by potato osmoscope. Aim of the practical: to study the process of osmosis using potato osmoscope. Material required for the practical, that is potato, scalpel or you can say peeler, knife, pins, bowl, beakers, concentrated sugar solution and color water. Now let us study about the principle first. When two solutions of different concentrations are separated by semi-permeable membrane, the flow of solvent is from region of weaker solution, that means having low solid concentration, to the region of stronger solution having high solid concentration till the equilibrium is reached, so that the osmotic pressure are balanced. Now study about osmosis by potato osmoscope. In the last point we have seen about the osmosis, types of osmosis. Okay, now we will perform this experiment. Now first you have to do, take a potato, take a fresh potato tuber and peel off the skin with the help of scalpel. This is scalpel and this is the potato. See, like this you have to remove this upper skin. Okay, I have taken one bowl to just remove this. Like this, peel off the skin. Okay. See, like this you have to just peel off the skin of the potato. Okay. Then take another bowl. Now this potato you have to make base to potato. Okay, so why we have made like this, so we can, this potato can easily stand on one point. Okay, see. Okay, so like this cut the potato from one side in such a way that so it will make a flat base. Then scoop the potato, the peeled tuber properly. See that you have to make hole into this potato. See this? But care should be taken so that will not rupture the base. Okay? See here, so it makes a cavity, so it should be near to this. I have not made a proper hole. Okay, so here the strand is here, the base should be thin. Okay, so you can see here this base. So from this base your finger should be visible. Okay, so this much thin base should be there. Okay, okay. So make your potato thin. You can cut the side part. So if you are cutting this side part, so the process of osmosis can easily takes place. So more thin, so more entry will be water inside it. Okay, or more water will move outside it. So for that purpose you can make this potato thin as possible. Okay, see, like this you can make this potato thin. Then now you have to keep this potato into this bowl. Then add concentrated sugar solution in the cavity. This is a concentrated sugar solution, and you have to add this concentrated sugar solution into the cavity. See here, I have added this. Okay, this is the concentrated sugar solution. Then you have to make the level by inserting pin. Okay, we have to know that till what we have inserted this sugar solution. Now till this that sugar solution is there, so that's why I am just inserting pin to identify the level. Okay, so with the help of these I can easily identify till what that sugar solution is there. Now added concentrated sugar solution into this. After adding the concentrated sugar solution, then I have filled this petri dish with the help of color water. You can observe here, inside this sugar solution is there, and here outside this the color water is there. So you observe this, the initial level. After some time, then we will see. See the level properly. till what sugar solution is there. After keeping it for few minutes, few hours, so there we'll see some changes inside it. So this is bowl, in that color water, this is the potato, and then inside it sugar solution, and then pin. Now you just observe after a few hours, so the level of sugar solution, see here in the starting, so till this the sugar solution was there, till the pin that sugar solution was there, okay, see here till this. See that the level of sugar solution in the potato osmoscope rises after some time, and you observe in the starting the color was of that solution was whitish, means it was colorless actually, but right now after rising the level, so the color of this solution also changes, it also becomes colored. Because why these are the changes takes place? Because in this process that colored water from this dish has entered in the cavity of potato osmoscope. This is the potato osmoscope, and in this potato osmoscope the water, that colored water enters inside it, and that's why these are the changes takes place. Okay, see this is the diagram for potato osmoscope. Now let's see about the observation. You can easily note that the level of sugar solution in the potato osmoscope rises after some times. The solution in the cavity osmoscope also become colored. Second one, it can be inferred that colored water from the petri dish or the bowl has entered the cavity of potato osmoscope. Now let's see about the inference. In this, rise in level and change in color in concentrated solution of potato cavity is due to potato, because in this potato act as a semi-permeable membrane, and that's why water can easily pass through it. This question is for you all. Complete and label this diagram as per it is observed in the given experiment, and solve these questions and see this MCQs which is given in your practical notebook. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and comment this video, and please subscribe my channel. Please press bell icon, and my channel name is Prapti Vanzari. Thank you.